All right. So yesterday we read what were tenses, but today we are going some deeper. Like we'll understand what are tenses from the beginning till the end. Today we'll understand all about present tense. Now we'll not go much ahead. Okay, so tense indicates the time of action or a state of being in the past, present, and future. As the title itself says, that tenses always shows about the time, that when the things are happening. Is it happening in the present? Is it happening in the past? Or it will happen in the future? It's all about the time. You might have heard that there are three kinds of tenses. The first one is the present tense, second one is the past tense, and the third one is the future tense. And today we are going to understand only and only about present tense. As the title itself says, present tense indicates that something is happening or being now. कोई चीज जो अभी हो रही है वो है present tense. For suppose I'm teaching. So what am I doing? Right now I'm teaching you. Fine. So that is present tense. What you people are doing, you're studying. So that is also happening in present only. So that will also come in present tense. But you know, now you'll say कि मैम आपने तो ing लगाया और यहाँ पे तो लिखा हुआ है, for example, Ankita waters the plant. So there are again the categories of present tense. Fine. So each tense has 4 forms. Each tense, like whether it is present tense, whether it is past tense, whether it is future tense, हर की 4 categories होती है. The first one is the simple, or you can say the indefinite. आगे past present अपने आप लग जाएगा. So simple present and present indefinite both are equal. Second one is continuous and progressive, both are equal. It means the work is in progress. And the third one is the perfect one, and the fourth one is the perfect continuous. Let's go ahead. Okay, the simple present tense we have already read it yesterday, but it for those who did not understand. The simple present tense is used, it is for showing a habitual action. As I told you yesterday, that wherever we show a habit, let's say I told you I gave one example yesterday that I wake up early in the morning. Same is here, he goes for a walk with daily. So daily, if daily was not here, agar nahi hota daily, तो यहाँ पे एक habit नहीं होती. But here when we have mentioned daily over here, it turns to a habit. Fine. So whenever there is a habit, it always contains simple present tense. The second one, for expressing a universal truth. When the things are universal, when the things are truth, it's not only universal truth. एक universal truth के अलावा normal जो truth होता है उसके लिए भी we can use present tense, simple present tense. For example, all the planets of the solar system revolve around the sun. This is a universal truth that all the planets, they revolve around the sun. So for this also we have used, you see, revolve. This is simple present tense. And in the first one, goes, it is again the simple present tense. The third one, for showing a future event that has already planned. Yesterday also I told you about this, that when we are planning something, I mean, when we are saying something which is going to happen in future, but the things are already planned. हमने सोच रखा है कि ऐसा कुछ होगा. Fine. अगर होगा and the things are not planned, that will come in future. जैसे I'll go to market. मैं market जाऊंगी, but the things are not planned. तो मैंने वहां लगाया will. Fine. और पर अगर चीजें ऑलरेडी प्लान होती है तो वहां पे हम लोग लगाएंगे सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, द ओलंपिक गेम्स बिगिन नेक्स्ट मंथ में शुरू होते हैं. Fourth one, for indicating professional activities, rituals, likes and dislikes. For example, the Bengalis celebrate Durga Puja with great fervor. Here also again, celebrate comes in simple present category. Next, in proverbs which states some permanent truth, as I spoke before, universal truth एक तरफ हो गया, and permanent truth, like generally in proverbs, हमारी जो proverbs होती हैं, जैसे idioms होती हैं और जो कहावतें होती है, लोकोक्तियां होती हैं, उनको हम proverbs कहते हैं. तो proverbs की में भी generally we use simple present tense only. जैसे a stitch in time saves 9. Fine. One more example I am giving, 2 and 2 makes 4. Fine. तो here saves and what I spoke makes. तो वो सारी चीजें किसमें आएगी? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में आ गया. नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट वन, फॉर एक्सप्रेसिंग नेचुरल प्रोसेसेस, क्वालिटीज और एक्टिविटीज रिलेटेड टू एनी प्रोफेशन. Suppose the teacher teaches us in the school. This is the quality, or you can say the activity, or you can say the natural process of a teacher. A teacher will only teach, obviously. A doctor will only do operation. You can say, or बहुत सारे example, when the things are natural in process, when there are qualities, when there are activities of any profession, we always use simple present tense for the same. Now comes the sentence structure of present indefinite tense or the simple present tense. Subject plus do does और SES plus V1, I mean verb की first form and object. Chinmay, sit properly. Fine. Now note. Do and does is always used with the negative and the interrogative sentences. Fine. We never say, like examples also I have for this. Like हम do और does हमेशा सिर्फ negative and interrogative sentences के साथ use में लेंगे. And with affirmative sentences, with simple sentences, we will use as and es. For example, see, affirmative sentence, the earth revolves round the sun. Did we use do or does over here? No. हमने do or does की जगह क्या किया? हमारी जो verb थी revolve, उसके साथ क्या लगा दिया? S. Fine. And while converting the same thing into negative and interrogative, हम क्या करेंगे? Negative में हमने does लगा दिया. Does क्यों लगता है? Singular के साथ. And the earth is singular. Fine. So the earth does not revolve around the sun. Yesterday we talked about this, that हम does लगाएंगे तो revolve के आगे से s हट जाएगा, और जब हमने s लगा दिया तो हमारा does हट जाएगा. Got the point? When we are putting does, we will not put s or es with the main verb, and when we are not putting s and es with the verb, we will put do or does. This is all about the difference in the sentences, nothing else. Affirmative sentence mein we will not use do and does. Negative mein we will use do and does. Depends on the subject. Singular hai to we will use does. Plural hai to we will use do. Interrogative mein we will put the do and does in front of the just before the subject. For example, does the earth revolve around the sun? Don't forget to put question marks over here, because it is framing a question. Got it, everybody? Fine. So this was it, present tense जो हमने कल पढ़ा था. Now we are moving further. Listen. Next comes present continuous tense. As the title itself says, continuous means when the things are going on, when the things are in continuation, when the things are in progress. Fine. जब कोई काम हो रहा है, that will come in present continuous category. Present continuous tense is used for indicating an action which is still going on at time of speaking. I mean, जब बात कर रहे हो आप, तब वो काम होना चाहिए. Like if I'm saying the birds are flying in the sky, so the bird should actually fly in the sky. Fine. The thing should actually be under process. Fine. So here, and the second one, for showing an action which is expected to take place. कुछ काम जो होने वाला है, but the thing is not planned. You're getting the difference? पहले वाले में क्या था? काम हो रहा है आपका next in future में, but the things are planned. Here, for showing an action which is expected to take place, but the thing is not planned. आ भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. For example, the principal is visiting our class tomorrow, but this is not mandatory that the principal would visit or not. समझ में आ रहा है? Compulsion नहीं है. Third one, for referring to a definite plan in future. Yes, अब आपका future में कोई definite plan होने वाला है, तो उसके लिए आप क्या करोगे? उसके लिए भी you will use this only. She is buying a new car next week. Sentence structure of present continuous tense. Subject plus is am-are plus V1 plus ing plus object. I mean subject सबसे पहले, then we will use is am-are, is with the singular one, am with I only, are with plurals. V1 यानी verb की first form, उसके साथ आप लगाओगे ing, and the last one is the object. Objects हो तो ठीक है, नहीं हो तो भी it's fine. Example for the same, you see, the birds are flying in the sky. If I convert, like अगर मैं इसको ऊपर वाले structure से match करूं, then the birds is the subject. Are I used, why? Because birds are plural. That is why I used are. इन तीन में से मैंने एक are use में लिया. And then the main verb was fly. And fly के साथ मैंने क्या add कर दिया? ing. तो it had turned to flying. And now the object in the sky. Got it? Same. Present continuous में we don't use do does. हम हमारी helping verb के साथ ही not लगा देते हैं. For example, negative, the birds are not flying in the sky. What did I do? I just added not to it. Just after helping verbs, we will use not. Coming to the interrogative one, are the birds flying in the sky? Not वहां से remove हो जाएगा. Not will be there only in negative sentence. And then are the birds flying in the sky? Don't forget to put question mark. And now it had turned to the interrogative one. Am I clear, everybody? This was it for today.